In this video, we're going to talk about Framer AI and how it can help you generate pages using artificial intelligence. The very first thing you want to do is to create a new project or even on an existing project. Simply click on Command plus K, and I believe on Windows it's Control plus K. And at this point, this option is going to come up to generate a page using AI. Now at this point, I'm simply going to write in a prompt, which is a basic statement of what I want to create. So in this case, I am stating that I want a launch page for my startup called Magic. We're a team of 2 people, Benjamin and Shuang. We're building a to-do app for iOS with amazing gestures and animations with a colorful visual style. So I'm going to click on Start, and as you're going to see, the AI is going to start working its magic, literally, and start creating a page layout, which as you can see, it's going to be responsive by default. So it's going to help you kickstart ideas. Of course, this is in the early stages of this AI feature, so there's going to be a lot, I am sure, going on in the future, but super exciting. So as you can see, we literally have a page built in a matter of seconds around a specific concept. And I'm going to add over here, or actually let's just say not now. And one cool thing about it is that you're not just done with the prompt. As you can see right now, you can actually add colors and basically switch through a few different suggestions that Framer is giving you for this specific page. And you can also refresh the color palettes. So it's quite interesting, and yeah, just overall it's really cool how you can generate these pages in a very short amount of time. I can go ahead over here and change the fonts and basically come up with a visual idea in a matter of seconds that is going to help you basically speed up your process. Now, for some projects, you might want to use this. For other ones, you might want to go with a more traditional approach. But nonetheless, it's an option which is at your disposal as a Framer user.